How to report fake profiles on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Have you guys come across with a profile which you think is fake or is impersonating someone? If yes, you will have to report them to Facebook. And if you don't know how to do that, this video is for you. So before I teach you guys how you can report a profile on Facebook, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. First, locate your Facebook app. Then open it up. So after you're on your Facebook, make sure you're logged in. Then what you'll have to do is find the profile which you think is fake. So let me just search for a random profile. And if you think that this profile is fake, all you have to do is tap on the three dots on the top right. Then there you'll find the report option. Tap on report profile. And choose where you want to report it. Then from here, select why you want to report this. I'll just select fake profile. And I'll just select a friend. Then select who they are pretending to be. And after you do that, you can report it completely. And after several reports on the same profile, that profile will get banned. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.